हेलो भाग्यजीत, गुड इवनिंग। कैसे हैं आप?
तो मैं अच्छा हूँ। आप कैसे हैं सर?
I'm really good. It's good to know that finally we are talking. So first
Yes
of
sir,
all,
it is quite surprising for me that I am talking with you, though it is over Zoom, but it's totally lottery for me. I can't express how much I am happy.
we both are happy. You are seeing happy because you are talking to your favorite teacher, and I am talking to the future of India. Future. So first of all, congratulations for NET. Equally congratulations for GATE exam. आपने GATE भी क्वालिफाई किया है,
Yes,
नेट भी किया है। और आईआईटी रुड़की में पीएचडी इंटरव्यू है 21 नवंबर को, राइट?
हाँ सर।
ग्राफिक नॉवल पे काम
It's
कर रहे हो?
totally because of you. It's totally because of you, because I was not aware about GATE examination, and when I got your video on YouTube, it's because of your words I filled my form, and in my first attempt I qualified for GATE examination.
In your first attempt, you qualified GATE.
Yes, sir. I don't aware about GATE examination. I got the information of GATE, that GATE is possible in English language from in your video.
Thank you. So you made us proud. And then you qualified NET also. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
have an interview, and we have to make sure that you are going to be a doctor from IIT Roorkee.
Yes, sir.
डॉक्टरेट करना है। आईआईटी रुड़की, वाओ, यू नो वन ऑफ द टॉप आईआईटी है ये, बहुत बड़ी आईआईटी, बहुत खूबसूरत आईआईटी। आई बीन टू दैट प्लेस।
Yes,
इट्स
sir.
ब्यूटीफुल। मेरा एक जेआरएफ स्टूडेंट है, वो वहां से पीएचडी कर रहा है अभी। आप गेट
हाँ
के
सर,
बेस पे
आपने बोला था।
पहुंचने वाले हो। इंटरव्यू के लिए व्हाट आर द टॉपिक्स यू हैव टेकन? ग्राफिक नॉवेल्स,
Yes, sir. Graphic novels and
क्वियर
you
थ्योरी।
told me queer theory.
वी हैव टॉक्ड
And
अबाउट 2 or 3 टॉपिक्स।
yes, sir.
ग्राफिक
Give me three
नॉवेल,
topics.
क्वियर थ्योरी, एंड कौन सा था? कल्चर स्टडीज।
कल्चर स्टडीज नहीं था सर, आप पोस्ट ह्यूमनिज्म पहले बोले
पोस्ट
थे।
ह्यूमनिज्म, हाँ। वो कल्चर स्टडीज का ही पार्ट है। सो
हाँ सर।
व्हाट डिड यू ऑप्ट? ग्राफिक नॉवेल?
Yes, sir. Graphic novel.
एंड यू नीड सम हेल्प ऑन दोज थिंग्स?
Yes, sir. Totally. I am
After
totally
the
unaware
session,
of
I will
that.
do it. After the session, I'll do it. Don't worry. These things are new topics, and IITs will definitely, they will definitely focus on these kind of extraordinary ideas. Now, as this is a session, I want to know how many hours you used to study to qualify these exams.
Basically, I stay outside from my home. I live in Bardhaman, which is situated in West Bengal. Actually, it is my university area, so I stay there and I do tuitions for my own living. And I totally just other than 4 or 5 hours which I have to spend on my students, simply just open any book or keep revising all those things whatever I have.
So you work, you earn by tuitions, and then whatever the time you get, you try to study. That's really
Yes, sir.
amazing. Acha, tell me this thing that there are so many struggles in life. You yourself have to work for tuitions. That shows that you come from a normal family background. You are earning and studying. What happens when stress, depression, fear of failure comes? How do you handle it?
Sir, the family from which I belong, it gives me encourage to be in a good position in future, because I know that I can change my future by working hard at present time.
What
So
a
whenever
beautiful thing. I can change my future by working hard.
so whenever I am in dilemma, I used to think that I have to do all the things. I have to fulfill my parents' dreams, whatever they dreamed about me. So keep working on those things, and it gives me
A very good,
motivation.
responsible son working hard to fulfill parents' dream. You have my respects. You have earned my respects. Now, I just want to know, because this is also a interview session for everyone. Every student will be motivated watching these things. English literature, GATE, NET, these are not easy things. What do you think? How far me as a teacher, how far my classes have supported you? If I ask you, rate us out of 10, 10 में से कितने नंबर दोगे हमें out of 10?
So I will give you 9,
10 में से
because
9?
uh,
Yes.
10 में से 10 सर, मैं सच में बोलूँ तो सब विश्वास नहीं करेगा, लेकिन मैंने बहुत कुछ आपसे सीखा है। बहुत सारे चीज हमको नहीं मालूम थे जब आप आपके इवन आई डोंट नो अबाउट योर YouTube channel. When I came to your got to know you, about your YouTube channel, I am totally surprised that there are a lot of things which I have no idea about all those things. And even you sent me a lot of notes which were totally, I am totally unaware of all those things. All those things were part of literature. I am totally surprised. But after getting in touch with you, I got to know about a lot of things.
So जो नोट्स मैंने भेजे वो सब पढ़े ना बहुत अच्छे से, मेहनत की,
हाँ
तभी
सर,
तो रिजल्ट
हाँ
निकला है।
सर, हाँ
एक ये
सर।
बताओ, टेल मी दिस थिंग दैट like you studied lectures, you studied notes and all. Was there a time you were scared what will happen, whether I will qualify net or not? The fear.
Last time I missed my net by 0.21 percentile. So it's this time I have also feared that what will happen if I missed it by point percentile. So when I got the final answer key, I was quite sure that I am going to qualify net. I'm not sure that I will crack JRF this time, but I am totally sure. But it's until we get the results, the dilemma is
No,
in our mind.
when the results got declared, the first answer key came. People went for the paper, people attempted paper. They came, it was very tough. It was very tough. Unknown topics, unknown questions. I told them that let my students talk. They will say that it was not unknown. I kept on saying it's easy to moderate. See, there are results, they are qualifying. You are saying
Yes,
that
sir.
I was checking final answer and I was sure I will be qualifying it. This shows you have worked hard, qualified GATE, qualified NET, going to face IIT Roorkee PhD. I give you some suggestions. First of all, they will talk about the latest things. You can also take a note of these things. Yes, take a note of these
Yes,
things.
sir.
Make sure you remember post-humanist studies. Post-humanist studies, because they are IITians. IITians will go for cyborg literature, CYBORG, cyborg literature, digital literature. Then in queer theory, we have to focus on LGBTQ 2A plus minus. LGBTQ 2A, 2 लिख के A plus minus. You know what? These are the latest LGBT theories. Nobody else will know. Nobody else will know except you. तुम्हारे मेरे अलावा किसी को नहीं आएगा। ये वो अर्जुन का चक्रव्यूह वाला सीन है, जो अर्जुन को आता था और किसी को नहीं आता था। लेटेस्ट है। Once we are done with the session, I will prepare you with these things so that when you go to the interview, everybody will be imaginally shocked that this man has prepared. ये बहुत अच्छे से हम तैयार करवाते हैं। इस सेशन में एक और क्वेश्चन है मेरा बिफोर वी फिनिश द सेशन। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 11 PM. I made
Yes,
you
sir.
wait for the interview. There were so many students.
Yes,
Kerala,
sir. I know.
Kashmir, then Rajasthan, then Bihar, then Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal से 3 स्टूडेंट्स हो गए हैं, गुजरात से हो गए हैं। सो दिस इज द रीजन 11 PM एंड मैं 6 बजे से इंटरव्यू कर रहा हूँ, 6 बजे से
हाँ सर।
अभी तक। सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम यू। What will be your suggestion to the students of English literature if they want to qualify NET exam in a fastest way, first attempt? आप उनको क्या गाइड करोगे? सपोज एक स्टूडेंट उसे कुछ नहीं पता है इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के बारे में, आप क्या गाइड करोगे?
सर अगर वो नेट क्वालिफाई कर चुका है तो मैं उसको
नहीं करना
सजेस्ट
है,
करूँ।
उसको कुछ नहीं आता, उसको नेट भी कुछ नहीं, उसको नेट ही करना है। He wants to qualify net, has no knowledge, meets you somewhere in the market, and he says, "Bro, you are net qualified. Tell me what to do. How did you do? What will you say?"
If he wants to take any coaching classes, I prefer my friends that just simply go for this teacher. I'll simply just mention your name, just go for Vineet sir's coaching, because I have experienced all those things, his materials, his guidance. So no one in India can help you other than Vineet sir at topmost level, because you teaches us those things other than the lot of teachers who are not aware of these things.
That because I taught in University of Delhi, thanks to my DU seniors. I also learn. We all are learners. It's only because I have taught in University of Delhi for 3 years. My seniors, my fellow teachers, we keep talking about the latest thing, and that's why I will be helping you with those unknown topics. तुम्हारे PhD topics ऐसे होंगे ना कि उनको impress होना ही होगा, तुम्हें select करना ही होगा. And that's what I want to say. With this message, I want to take your leave. Blessings to you. I am proud of you. And yes, अपने पेरेंट्स को ये वीडियो दिखाना, पेरेंट्स को बोलना विनीत सर ने आपको सैल्यूट किया है, उन्होंने तुम्हारे
Yes,
अंदर
sir.
ये स्पिरिट डाली है। ये स्पिरिट
Uh,
तुम्हारे अंदर उन्होंने डाली है, उनको ये मेरा वीडियो जरूर दिखाना। सी यू सून, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, स्टे कनेक्टेड व्हाट्सएप से,
yes,
पीएचडी पे
sir.
काम करना है।
So whenever you are in West Bengal, just remind me.
शादियां बुलाना, अपनी शादियां बुलाना, कॉल मी इन योर मैरिज। आई अटेंडेड मैरिजेस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन केरला एंड कश्मीर, आई विल बी
And
देयर।
one of your video, you have just mentioned that you have to visit Santiniketan. So
यस 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 यस।
my home is 1 hour away from Santiniketan.
देन वी आर गोइंग टू मीट शांति निकेतन फर्स्ट, देन योर मैरिज। सी यू सून।
Okay, sir.
आगे जी, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, टेक केयर।
Thank you.